Here's the best side hustle if you have no money to get started with. Yes, it's completely free and 100% legit. Go to digistore24.com and register now. Next, you're going to go to the marketplace. They have a bunch of different categories of products that you can choose from. For this example, let's go with food and drinks. Okay, so we have this cooking masterclass, and you can see they pay 60% commissions, so let's click promote now. So if you're logged in, you'll get a promo link right here, and this is important because this is how you get paid. Next, we're going to go to Pexels.com and find an image that matches with the product. I'm going to use this one, so click on it and then click free download. Next, we're going to go to Pinterest.com and we're going to create a new pin. Upload the image, and then you're going to paste that promo link where it says add destination link. Next, you're going to add keywords to the title. Next, you want to add a product description with a bunch of keywords. Then you're going to post your pin whenever people click on it and buy the masterclass, you're going to get paid for it. So this is called affiliate marketing. Basically, we get paid to promote other people's products, and when people buy, we get paid. If you want to learn how to make a full-time income out of this like I did, check out the link in my bio.